Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Over the course of a year, I'll ride through Connecticut quite a bit. I love the landscape there, the rural farms, the livestock, the stone walls, the small towns, the old buildings. Uh, they have great roads, just undulating hills and slow curves. Makes it a great state to ride in. Today in this video, I'm going to have you ride with us down to Seaside State Park on the shores of Connecticut. Now, the park is a unique destination that offers free parking, free entry, while also being a great place to walk. We saw people fishing, or to just sit and relax. The reason for our visit is because the park also has a pretty unique history. On the grounds are buildings that were built in the 1930s and first used as a tuberculosis clinic for children. That eventually got changed over to a senior care facility about, I think, within the 1950s. And then that was subsequently changed over into a mental health facility before it was finally closed in the 1960s. The skeleton of these old buildings remain and overlook the ocean and the park when you visit. However, they're beautiful, beautiful buildings. The brick and wood architecture still just gives a certain beauty to the scene and to this park. When we were there, one of the old chimneys was actually being occupied by some sort of hawk or eagle that had chicks in the nest as well. So it's this really cool mix of beautiful and peaceful and haunting and historic. So I highly encourage a visit. So now all we have to do is get there. So from Central Mass, we'll ride some twisty roads through Thompson, Connecticut and into Pomfret. We'll navigate around Norwich to Waterford in order to get to Seaside State Park. From there, we'll head about 10 minutes down the road, right on the shore to Skipper's Seafood for a lobster roll and to take a quick break.